Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Painting garden rock, collect smooth stones and paint flower, ladybug, butterfly, birds, inspiring new places, colorful rocks between plants to add fun and personality to your garden. Let's decorate with birdhouse. A small wooden birdhouse not only look charming but also welcome birds into your garden. Watching birds visit your outer space brings life, movement, and beautiful nature sound. Our next idea is creating a vegetable garden. If you have a small outdoor area, hang flower pot on a wooden pallet or wall. Vegetable garden saves space while adding a lot of greenery. And viewers, my next idea is frames. Viewers, so next idea is our item can also become cheerful decoration and or potting can into a flower plant use and or wooden as a plant stand. Even or bicycle can become a unique garden display by adding basket full of colorful flowers. So viewers, next idea is wooden town. So friends,
मम्मा आपको पता सामने आप मेरे खड़ी हो, मैं भी इधर से आ रही हूँ, आपको पता भी नहीं चल रहा कि आप आ रही हो नहीं, बस मजाक करती हूँ बस ऐसे।
viewers, Allah, see you in the